Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to update your email address in Bluevine. Your email is key for account alerts, verification codes, and communications from Bluevine. If you've switched email addresses, then it's important to update it right away. And here's how to do it. First, log into your Bluevine account on the mobile app or web, and then from the dashboard, tap the menu icon and select Settings. Go to Profile or Contact Information, and then find the email address field and then tap Edit. Enter your new email address carefully and then confirm by re-entering it again. Bluevine will send a verification code to the new address, so go ahead and open it and click the link inside to confirm ownership. Once verified, your new email will replace the old one, ensuring you continue to receive alerts and updates without interruption. Keeping your email current ensures secure and seamless communications with Bluevine. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.